this episode of Bad Tree Production, J-Bo gets his plow mounted. Well, it's already done. Make a low buck roof for your Polaris ACE. The catalytic converter off of this thing.
Everything's, you know...
Give it a voice.
Give it a voice.
So J-Bo's roof is going to be made out of
toboggan.
55-gallon drum barrel.
But I'll call it a ski because I can't spell toboggan.
Here we go. Okay.
Or whatever Jeremy's got going on here.
That just it shapes a lot easier.
Well, it sure does, doesn't it? What do you think of that?
I think we'd hurt ourselves trying to wrestle that.
Is this pretty brittle shit when you go to drill it? You know what I'm saying?
Hey, see if you can tuck it, Jeremy, once.
That's why that chunk is busted out, right?
Look at that.
Did you just jam it right down in there? Ah, that side's done.
Yeah, pull that down a little bit.
There we go.
Look at, and then.
Wow. What do you think of that?
I'd leave it just like it is.
Yep.
It could be a test piece. We can drill some holes and zip tie it, and if it breaks,
lay it down as a pattern for that.
If it breaks, it breaks.
For that rhino hide. Or...
Look, it's just trying to curl back up. Let's just get this thing wiped down, and we'll just zip it on and try it for a while.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice, yeah.
Right.
I mean, it's here.
Right.
I can just.
How much would that sheet of that stuff cost you?
It's gonna cost Jay a lot.
Okay, Jeremy, this is called low buck do-it-yourself roof DIY something.
You've heard,
whatnot.
hey, you've heard of low budget? This is no budget.
Stop.
I don't have any clear zip ties though, so it's not gonna match.
Damn it!
No, I've got some white ones.
Aren't the white ones the weak ones?
Yes.
Where's my drill? Upstairs. Let me grab my drillio.
Hey.
Drill.
Drill some holes in it.
Why is your drill upstairs? What are you using your drill for?
Oh no!
I was putting a gunsling on my rifle. I had to drill a hole in the butt stock.
Oh my lord!
With a dildo-shaped bit.
So this is Jay's Polaris ACE. He picked it up last year, and it's going to be his
In a snowstorm.
Yeah, we picked it up in a snowstorm.
It was cold out.
And this is his snow removal vehicle. It's
right.
Not too big, not too small. Works great for sidewalks.
And the blade's like 48 inches wide. What he did was I purchased this gear shift knob, and it's got the up-down control for the winch. So you push it back, and the plow comes up. Push it forward, goes down. So it's all conveniently right there at your hand instead of this Mickey Mouse setup, which you always had to look up at it to make sure you're pushing the right button. But this way your hand's always on the shifter because, you know, as soon as you get done hitting, you know, some snow or whatever and you're going to go back off, you want to immediately hit reverse and lift the plow up at the same time. Then we've just got done putting this actuator on, this here, and this actually moves plow side to side, or left or right. So left button moves it to the left, right button moves it to the right. Like that.
She's a weapon.
That also has they say there's a pressure release valve in there too, so if you really whack it on a snowbank, it'll
Yeah, it'll give.
It'll give, so you don't blow nothing apart.
So it's kind of similar to the original hand spring-loaded deal, where that actually had a shear pin. If you hit something hard, it would snap the shear pin, which that'd be annoying. But this would be nicer.
Yeah, you don't have to get out.
Yeah, I don't have to get out and anyway, yeah.
I can't wait to see you using it for my front window when it snows.
You bought this thing used, obviously.
Right. So yeah, not too bad.
Cool. Yeah, this will be fun to plow snow in. The one time that I used it last year, it worked really good. So
Yeah, I only used it once too. I mean, and the snow wasn't very deep, so.
The only thing I've ever done with it was tow a boat.
Oh, total boat with it, yeah.
Hey, you know what? What if you got what if you got those not tire chains but tire
Cable chains?
yeah, cables.
Yeah, maybe.
And just run them.
I've got a set that we might be able to shorten and put on the back.
Yeah.
Well, this thing's got 4-paw though. It shouldn't have any trouble.
No, it shouldn't, but if it does, I mean, we'll see. We'll just have to see, you know.
All right. Well, we'll continue on with this roof project.
Yeah.
So Jeremy's pre-cleaning said roof material.
At least get the heavies off of it.
How's it look? Good side to
Pretty even
side?
Stevens. Here, let's.
Get a widthometer on it.
Yeah.
Really?
Well, let's just, you know,
Looks like,
about 3.
yeah. So where are you going to?
Right there,
To
that
the
edge.
This here?
Yeah.
Oh, it's like right on.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Screw
Yeah,
it
you sure you
down.
had a 1/4 inch off on your side?
I use my good eye to read the tape.
Hey, you know, actually, you could pop a hole in this and put one of them, put them little, Panduit snaps in it.
Also, Panduit.
Panduit must be like Chinese for, what, Christmas tree pin?
Zip tie.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
Oh yeah.
Scary.
Oops.
Now, do you want the? Hey, do you want the?
Well,
You want the Whoopee inside
Yeah.
for
sure.
the aerodynamics?
Of course. No.
I don't think I can hork it down. But
What's that now? Well,
not really hork it down there, but
about like that.
like one more click out of it. Get. That's good. That's good. That's good. That feels good. And then on this side of this bar, right? What do you think?
Mm-hmm. Or something.
Nah.
Yeah,
Is
just
it-
a piece of stamped plastic. And it's black, and it's got these weird little angles all over it.
So
it
it's-
looks like it's from the future.
Let's put this one in, I guess, right away. Obviously, this is from the future because I've never seen another one like it.
Let's see here, 2000.
What? Had it in there. Dude, this is the best. I did a piss poor job cleaning it. But,
Well, I mean, it's not going to look that great, you know.
Anyway, it's been on its side, and it was the deal of the week. You got it for pretty good money. It was cheap. It came with the plow.
Yeah, the plow on these is about $1,500. Oh. You like that? Hippie and beard boy just get in his way.
Hippie.
hippie and beard boy. That's you, buddy.
Oh.
Sweet. Well, at least if you're plowing when it's snowing, you won't get completely
Right.
covered in snow.
Right. Yeah, I'm sure. I mean, yeah.
It'll be the way.
I think almost the next thing I'll buy is I'm thinking about a heated steering wheel cover. You
Oh,
plug-
that just plugs into the
yeah, just
cigarette
plug in the
lighter.
Cigarette lighter, yeah.
That'd be kind of neat.
Yeah, that'd be kind of.
I wouldn't mind that.
But I don't know, like my bikes or whatever. I always had insole warmers that I could plug in, which was nice. My feet get really cold.
Oh!
Oh,
Aw, Jay!
damn it!
How's it? How bad is it?
I don't know, lots of holes in the cracks, right?
Yeah.
Otherwise, it'll keep cracking.
What do you say now?
I'll pop a hole in the very end of the crack, right? Or no?
Yeah. That keeps it from spreading because he terminated its path.
I just get like a 1/16 of an inch bit, I just put a hole right in the very tip, right in the end of that crack. If you can do it.
Right.
Without it cracking more, but you get her spinning pretty fast, so it kind of heats, I guess, or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
Doggone it.
Let me. Money.
Perfect, right?
Sure.
Like it?
Yeah.
All right.
Try it.
Oh, good idea.
If anybody tries this at home and cracks their whatever this is, plexiglass,
Sure.
it's not our fault.
I think it is black solder or something. Boy, it'll be fine.
I say we get a can of spray paint out and
But,
shake your can of black.
you know, I don't mind it being clear, I guess. Want to watch it? You're gonna watch it snap. Oh, no wonder. See, the holes are drilled so wide apart. That's why. Good with that, because
Yeah. Cool.
all right, nipper.
Nippers. Oh yeah. That'd be cool.
You're
Over here. Why movie magic it? It was that quick, right?
no. Yeah, if we have anybody that views this, Dad really needs the extra money.
No, I don't care about the extra money.
Liar.
But if you want to, yeah, send donations to the
Battery.
information down below. Well, get the Gregor. I mean, if you need something plowed or whatever, we'll just do it. I mean, we just get a kick out of doing it. We're not asking for anything really, but just allow us to have some fun.
Must be time for a wrap up.
Alrighty, yeah. So that's it for this episode. What we did was we added an actuator, so it allows me to tip the plow side to side without getting off the damn thing, which is nice. Before it was kind of a pain because you had to open these little chintzy doors and struggle and potentially slip and fall and kill yourself. But this is nice. Before that, I had the foresight to get the shift knob that controls the whole plow, and I had that all kind of ready to go. So the wiring is a little bit of a pain to figure out, but you know, had Master Tech over here with the beard. He basically looked at it and just bolted it together. So anyway, yeah. But anybody can do it. You know, it's kind of a worthwhile upgrade. You get a kick out of it. It'll be nice.
Yeah, we didn't get it on camera of you mounting that, but
Yeah.
the cheap at-home DIY roof for this car,
Oh,
or
right.
side-by-side UTV, whatever. Any piece of scrap you got laying around.
Right. Like I said earlier, the factory part, you know, is about, I think it's $240-260 to me. Just for a piece of plastic, that's too much. So what we did was just grab, and actually Jeremy just had a piece of plastic laying around, so that's what we did, zip tied it. We'll probably want to go around later and maybe silicone the drill holes just to keep, you know, stuff from dripping in on you. But anyway, yeah, it is what it is. So anything else? I don't know. I can't think
I think
of
that's it.
anything else. But yeah. So yeah. In the meantime, like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and yeah.
Yeah.
Good job, Jay.
You bet.
Alrighty.
Bye-bye.
See you later. Do you want a four-wheeler, or do you want a side-by-side, or do you want basically a four-wheeler that's a go-kart?
I just like that you sit on it, and it's it's small.
It's a big Honda Odyssey.
right.
Modern day Honda Odyssey.
Right. Sits up higher.
Yeah.
It's like
Fuel injected.